Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study history easily. First, always start with the broader context before focusing on specific details. This helps you see the forest before the trees. Next, build a clear timeline of major events. This visual aid is incredibly powerful for understanding chronology. Also, get to know the key historical figures and their motivations. Finally, always ask yourself why events unfolded as they did, rather than just memorizing facts. This approach makes history much more engaging and memorable. To truly engage with history, active reading is essential. Don't just skim. Highlight important points, add your own notes, and summarize paragraphs in your own words. This process forces your brain to process the information deeply. Furthermore, discussing historical topics with friends or study groups can reveal new insights and strengthen your recall. And for a more immersive experience, consider watching documentaries or historical dramas. They bring the past to life in a compelling way.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding these tips on studying history helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Your support means a lot. On another note, staying hydrated is super important, especially during long study sessions. I highly recommend the Owala water bottle. It's fantastic for keeping your water cold and accessible. You can find a link to the Owala bottle and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Boosting your memory for history involves smart strategies. Mnemonic devices, such as creating acronyms or short rhymes, can be incredibly effective for recalling tricky names or specific dates. Flashcards are also your best friend for quick, repetitive review of key terms, dates, and important figures. But perhaps the most powerful technique is to teach the material to someone else. Explaining concepts aloud helps you identify any areas where your understanding might be weak, solidifying your knowledge. Understanding history goes beyond isolated facts. It's about context. Always connect events to their broader social, economic, and political environments. This helps you see the bigger picture and how various factors influenced outcomes. Actively analyze the cause and effect relationships between different historical occurrences. Nothing happens in a vacuum. Finally, comparing and contrasting different historical periods or civilizations can reveal fascinating patterns and recurring themes, deepening your overall comprehension of human history.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.